Top 5, congratulations. We bid farewell with a big round of applause to all the other girls. Well done, ladies.
Well done, girls.
Well done. Well done. All right. The second princess. What is your number again? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Your second princess is Tshegofatso Didiwe, number 6. Thank you, Lebo. Congratulations, Tshegofatso. Your first princess, ladies and gentlemen, in the event of the winner not being able to fulfill her duties, the first princess will be tasked to do so. That is just the terms and conditions apply, okay? Your first princess, Jolie's Carwood, number 11. Klerksdorp, what's your number? Miss Klerksdorp Teen 2014 is Chriselle Houston, number 12. Teen Royalty, Tshegofatso, Jolise and Chriselle. Congratulations. Let's just get closer for a picture for us there, please, girls. And then I'm just gonna photo bomb one.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that, baby, you're the best. I got my red